Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be removing this front license plate bracket. I went ahead and picked up some of these retainer clips off of Amazon. They were super cheap for 240 of them. Hoping to find the right size of one in there in order to make this not look so bad after we get it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking these off. All right, now that we have all four of those removed, this just pops right out of place. And as you see, we've got two big holes on there. All right, cool. So I guess only two of these were actually drilled into the car. All right, so first things first, I'm going to clean this up a bit. All right, and these are not very flat, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a razor blade and kind of file these down. All right, so now I'm gonna try and get this off. All right, so there's a few scratches on there. I'm gonna use some of this Meguiar's Scratch X to kind of buff that out. All right, so we got that all buffed out. As you can see, looks really nice. There's a couple different small ones on here. We're gonna go ahead and try a couple of these and see which one works best. All right, so both of these holes are just a little too small, which is what I feared, but yeah, let's go ahead and drill these out just a little bit. All right, so I drilled it out to 1/4 of an inch. Boom, that one fits perfectly. And boom, that one fits perfectly. All right, so obviously if you want to get some touch-up paint, you can, and then you can paint these to the exact color of your vehicle, or you can keep them off as this kind of off black color if you would like. Yeah, but that's how you do it. Product links for everything that we use today will be down there in the product description. And once again, thanks for stopping by Reviews and How-Tos.